At St. Luke's, we know you have many questions regarding COVID-19. And now more than ever, you need to be able to keep up with your scheduled visits and chronic conditions. We understand you may be hesitant to visit us in person, and so now we have a virtual option as well. A new way to safely and securely see your healthcare provider without having to leave the comfort of your home. And here's all you need to do to get ready for that first visit. First, we recommend using Google Chrome as your web browser. Second, make sure you have your computer's web camera on and that it's connected to your computer. Sometimes the camera is built into the top of your monitor. Third, give it a test. Click the link in the description below. Once you've done these things, you're ready to get started.
Introducing mySaintLuke's. Using your computer online, you'll be able to see and talk with your provider. Here's how. First, go to mysaintlukeskc.org. If you're on your computer, simply sign in. If you don't have a mySaintLuke's KC login, click Sign Up Now and enter your information. If you don't have a sign-up code, click the Sign Up Online icon and enter your information. A code will be sent to your email. Next, when it's time for your appointment, go to Visits and click Appointments and Visits. Find your visit and click E-Check-In. Now, follow the guide through the E-Check-In process. Once complete, click Begin Video Visit. Locate the video visit and click Details. Then click Begin Video Visit. Now, simply wait for your care provider to connect.
That's it. You're now able to safely and securely discuss your healthcare needs from the comfort of your home. If you have questions or need a bit of extra help, you can call mySaintLuke's customer service at 844-446-5479. We'll be available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We look forward to seeing you soon.